Right, tonight's the night. Guess what I'm doing tomorrow? Sharon, I'm picking up my new motorcycle tomorrow. How do you feel about that?
Does that tell you?
Do you know what sort it is?
No.
Are you going
Would
to...
you like to tell me?
You'll see it tomorrow morning when you drop me off at 9:30 to pick it up.
I don't get up that early on a Saturday.
It's brand new nearly.
Really?
Yeah, and I'm pretty excited.
Oh, so am I. Not.
Well folks, I've gone and brought a new motorcycle. Is it fast? No. Is it comfortable? No. If I want to go fast, I take that out. If I want to be comfortable, I take that out. So I went and brought a Royal Enfield 350 Classic Twin Spark in chestnut. It's absolutely beautiful. I rode it home from fielding yesterday. It's pretty slow, but I wasn't looking for speed. I got it bought a 114. Do I really want one? No, because they're too dear. It's got 160 on the speedo. It'll never ever do that. I can guarantee that. But it's in just about brand new condition, and I love it. What with all this talk about people breaking how many Harleys in a row in America lately, well done to everyone. I'm actually going to go for a challenge in New Zealand as well. I'm going to go for the shortest Harley parade, which will be my bike only, and I've got people to verify it right next to me. I've got the Guinness book and record here, and once I achieve this amazing thing, I'll be certainly putting out a video on it and letting everybody know. And I hope that Smitty Independent over in Australia also breaks the Australian record for the smallest parade of Harley Davidsons. I think Smitty will give it a go. But as I said, to verify it, I've got Guinness book and record. So I think I should be fine.